Whilst at Scutari, I made many observations, which I used to compile my notes on matters affecting the health, efficiency and hospital administration of the British Army. It's basically a report analysing my experience at Scutari and details my proposals for reform for any other military hospitals that operate under poor conditions. The report was well received by the War Office and sparked a total restructuring of the War Office's administrative department, including the establishment of a Royal Commission for the Health of the Army. But oh, what a fuss when I returned home. A hero, they called me. I even met the Queen herself, who presented me with an engraved brooch. With money raised whilst in the Crimea, together with money given to me by the government, I helped fund the establishment of St. Thomas's Hospital, and within it is the Nightingale Training School for Nurses. It's funny to think that nowadays people seek my advice on the building of a new hospital. It's very good to know that I've helped to improve things.